Vacations are great! Hey, how'd you get here, puppy? For the first idea, take a pair of shoes you are going to wear on your trip and a bill. Use sharp, thin scissors to gently open the tongue. Take a short zipper and glue it to the edges of the cut. Hide the money and anything else you need in this sneaky hiding place. Close the zipper. Let's go explore the town! Bend down and stretch while pulling things out of your hiding place. It's as simple as that! Next, you will need a sheet of felt and a small plastic container. Cut off a strip of felt. Roll it into a tube. Put it into the container. Pour a little nail polish remover inside. Glue a small circle of sandpaper to the bottom. Cover it with the lid. Oh no! My nail polish chipped! No worries, put the jar with the remover on your finger. After a couple of movements, the nail polish is all gone. Let's fix our manicures with sandpaper. We did it! Ugly nails won't ruin our vacation. For this idea, take micellar water and a plastic dropper. Collect a little liquid in the dropper. Attach a small sponge to the tip. Hot glue it and put the cap on top. Removing your makeup has never been this easy before. It's so fast! And easy! Maybe we can use this at home too! And now take a box from Tic Tacs and some toothpicks. Insert the toothpicks in the box. Close it. Glue a small mirror to the box. Hide the little box in your purse. Did you eat lunch? Don't pick your teeth, you won't get anything anyway. Take out the box, look in the mirror, and get the food out of your teeth. And your smile will always be bright. Let's prepare your phone case for your trip too. Take a small piece of foam paper. Put your phone on it and trace it twice. Cut it out. Make a cut in the middle of one of the layers. Glue the whole layer to the case. Put some wipes on top. Glue the layer with a hole on top. Seal the hole with a sticky note. Put the case on your phone. You can't always wash your hands when you are on the road. But this mini container of wipes will help you. Stay clean, stay healthy. Next, we will show you what you can do with a small piece of fake leather. Draw a square and a triangle on the back side. Cut them out. Bend along the line. Cut off the corner. Sew the edges. And attach buttons. The result is a small wallet that'll hold everything you need. And it'll fit in a waist bag. And now take a foam tube and glasses. Use a box cutter to make the hole in the tube bigger. And take some foam paper. Cut out a few pieces. Hot glue them to the tube. Glue on eyes and a smile. Make a lid with a clasp. And glue it to the pipe. Put your glasses inside and close the lid. The case is almost weightless, but it will definitely protect your glasses on your trip. And the cute monster decoration will bring you a smile even on a long journey. I hope my favorite suitcase is ready for adventures. Take an apron and put it on the suitcase. Cover the surface as much as you can and tie it in the back. Cut the neck strap. Cut off the excess fabric. Next, take some ribbons and glue them to the cut. Pull them under the suitcase and tie them to the cut strap to make bows. Glue a couple more ribbons on the sides. Tie them. What a cute cover! Now you'll know which suitcase is yours from a mile away. And you can also put whatever you need in the big pockets. For this idea, take a small bag. Cut it in half. Turn it inside out. Sew the cut closed. Turn it inside out again. Glue a rope instead of the straps. Draw a bone with your pet's name. Put some food and a card with your information inside. Tighten the straps. Put the backpack on your pet. Now, even if he gets lost, people will know where he lives. And they will feed him with his favorite food. For this idea, take a piece of faux fur and cut a couple of arches out of it. Put the right sides together. Sew along the outline, leaving a small hole. Turn it inside out. Fill it with stuffing. Sew it closed. What do you need to make your journey as comfortable as possible? That's right, a soft, fluffy pillow. You definitely need a pillow like this when you travel. And now take a sheet of felt and some fake fur. Cut the figure in the shape of a sleep mask. Insert satin ribbons on the sides. Hot glue them in and cut shapes of famous places out of felt. Do you recognize these? Decorate your sleeping mask with them. Now you have a complete set. Your journey will be so comfortable thanks to this mask. Don't forget, you can't bring big containers of liquids in your carry-on, but you can't go without your beauty products. There is a way out. Take a contact lens container. Squeeze a little of each one into the cells. Close it and put it in your makeup bag. Now we can bring all our supplies with us. No worries. And now take a piece of felt, paper clips, and jewelry. Cut the felt in half. Place the paper clips on the strip at equal distances. Sew them to it. Stick a second strip of fabric to the back. Hang your jewelry on paper clips. Wrap the felt into a roll. Secure it with a pair of paper clips. Pack it up. And now all your jewelry is safe. The best part is, this organizer barely takes up any space at all. For this idea, take hair curlers and a roller. Put the curlers on the roller. Test it! Great! It's spinning! And now let's move the roller over the fabric. A couple of rolls and the curlers are covered with fuzz and crumbs. That's great! And now you need a plastic organizer and a piece of foam paper. Cut out a cross. Glue it to the organizer. Attach a label below. Then take a plastic flask, hydrogen peroxide, and Q-tips. Pour some liquid into the flask. Put the Q-tips into it. A little more peroxide. Close the flask and glue on a label. Now take a plastic folder and cut out a pocket for a card from it. Glue a piece of plastic to it. Put in your medications. Don't forget to label it. Now take a jar of sequins and squeeze ointment into it. Wrap a little bandage around a straw. Secure the bandage with a piece of a bigger straw. Remove it from the base. Now put everything you need into the organizer. Close it and pack the first aid kit into your bag. You should always keep it close. We hope you never have to use all this when you are traveling. Did you like our life hacks for travelers? Which one did you think was the most useful? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, click on the bell, and share the link with your traveling friends.